Hey everybody, it's Uncle Steve, and today I got the pleasure of being with my nephew Chadwick today. He is rocking it out with these 2-unit suites here right now. It's a legal second suite here. We're at 100 Mowat Crescent. Chad, what can you say about it?
Guys, this baby's finished top to bottom. Come on in and check out Unit 1. Hey guys, if you're an investor looking for a property in Barrie, these things are fully converted. This was the garage, vaulted ceilings, it looks beautiful. Floor, kitchen, appliances, trim, paint, it's truly turnkey.
Guys, what's great about this property here is it's a 3-bedroom up and 2-bedroom down, so that allows for awesome cash flow. The fit and finish is great throughout the entire building and super low maintenance. Check it out.
All right guys, you've seen the finishes from top to bottom, inside and out now. A quick recap for you. 3 bedrooms up, 2 down, that means cash flow.
Super low maintenance means less headaches. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.